How to change the language on Chat GPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language on Chat GPT easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Chat GPT. And once you see the main interface of Chat GPT, simply log in with your email. And once you are inside the Chat GPT, you might notice that there is no official language settings within the Chat GPT itself. But don't worry, I'll show you a simple trick to change the language. So here in the Chat GPT, simply right click anywhere on the page and from the pop-up menu, simply select Translate to English or whatever language your browser is set to. Now next, click on the three dots in the translation menu and select choose another language. Now from here you can pick any language that you want. For example, if I want to switch it to Bulgarian, I will select it from the drop down menu and simply click on translate. And as you can see, ChatGPT is now displayed in Bulgarian language. You can repeat this process for any language that you prefer. And that's it. That's how you can change language on ChatGPT. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.